Hey everyone, my name is Tania de Chiaro and I teach English online. I usually use Zoom and I put a lot of virtual backgrounds on my screens during my classes. So usually my students ask me how I do that. So I decided to make this tutorial video so that I can teach both my students and whoever is interested in learning how to use virtual backgrounds and other features of Zoom. Okay, there are two ways you can access the settings to reach the virtual backgrounds to use them. So I will show you the two ways. If you are already in the meeting, you go to this icon here, video, and you click on this arrow to reach the virtual backgrounds. If you are not in the meeting, you are in the Zoom page before you click New Meeting. This is where you go. You have to click Home, and you will see here the settings, okay? Both ways take you to this page that I'm going to show you now. This is what it looks like, okay? So you have the features background and filters, and you have video. Okay, so let's do it together so that you get to know the path, right? So you reach the page, as I told you, and then you click here, background and filters. And here you will have some options for backgrounds. It's very easy to change. You just click on the background you want to use. If you don't have any backgrounds here available, or if you want different ones, you click here, add image, right? There is a plus here on the right, on the top right. You click and you can add images from your computer or even videos. If you don't have any images that you like, I suggest you go into the free version of canva.com, and they have many templates there that you can use. You can download and use, okay? Here you have the video filters. The filters are usually fun, right? Maybe you have a purpose, a specific purpose to use them in a class, right? And these are the filters. You just click, it's very simple. And finally, you have here studio effects in this screen where you can change the shape of your eyebrows. You can add a mustache or a goatee, for example, or change the color of your lipstick, okay, to your liking. Something else that I want to show you is this video screen where you can touch up your appearance and also adjust for light. Sometimes in the place where you are having your meeting or class, the light is not so good, the room is not so bright, and then maybe you can adjust here to have a better configuration, okay? So I think this is it. Let me close this. I hope this helps many people, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.